Hello, and welcome to the Fastex Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of depositing fiat into your Fastex Exchange account. Go to the Add Funds section on the main page. Click on Deposit Fiat. Choose the currency you'd like to deposit. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. Deposit limits vary based on your verification level and selected currency. Available payment methods depend on your region and may differ accordingly. The available payment methods for your region will then be displayed. Select your preferred payment method and proceed. You will be redirected to the payment system page to complete the transaction. Follow the instructions provided by the payment system to finalize your deposit. Once the transaction is successfully completed, your funds will be credited to your Fastex account. If you have any questions, our live support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Subscribe to this channel to stay updated on all things Fastex Exchange.